ओके फाइन।
किसने की है?
मैंने ही की है यार।
जाजिर भाई।
मैंने ही की है एट दी एंड आके। अच्छा जी, अब क्या करना है? कहाँ गई वो स्क्रीन जो मैं शो कर रहा था आपको? यस, नाउ माय स्क्रीन इज विजिबल और नॉट गाइस?
या इट्स विजिबल।
ओके।
यस।
So I am telling about the jar file. Okay, I just click the build of the program, and now it is created the jar file. As you guys can see, that is the jar file. Okay, that is the executable jar file of Java program, and you can take properties of there as well. So it is around 2 MB jar file. It is showing with dependency. Any jar file have require if you are going to connect with different databases or different software, so you need a separate special jar file to connect with them. If I am going to connect with the SQL server, so I need a jar file of SQL server. Let me show you. इसमें okay, now you guys can see Java dependency. Okay, these are the jar
Mm-hmm.
files. Can you guys see it? Jar files, different jar file, OpenCSP, SQL,
यस।
Yes.
JDBC. Okay, these are the jar files required to execute or run the program. Okay, so
Okay.
these dependency included in the jar file. That's why it is showing with dependency. Okay, so when you will start or when you will execute this jar file, there is no need to add something extra. Okay, so that is the executable jar file. Now this is the CSV folder where we will export the data. CSV folder I have created here, and
वेयर?
that is the config file. That is the config file. It will be required at the time of execution of the program. Okay, ये फाइल जो है आपको
वेयर
रिक्वायर्ड,
वेयर वेयर
ये
इज?
ये फाइल आपको रिक्वायर्ड होगी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन के लिए, टूल की कॉन्फ़िगरेशन के लिए ये फाइल रिक्वायर्ड है आपको. दैट इज द फाइल रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द टूल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. व्हाट इज द सोर्स? व्हाट इज द सोर्स? What is the source of the server? Okay, localhost. What is the instance? MS SQL 16. What is the port? 1433. What is the database? What is the schema? What is the store procedure or object we are using to export to get the data from the SQL server? That is the user. That is the password. That is the file name prefix. We can use it any file name prefix HSC. Okay.
Jazib bhai, can you please move your mouse so that
या
we
इट्स
could
नथिंग इज शोइंग।
see? We cannot see anything.
ओके, वेट वेट यार, ये बड़ा मसला है इसमें. एक एक फाइल इसमें शेयर करनी पड़ती है. पूरा स्क्रीन शेयर करने के लिए ना ये है शो ऑल. हो गया, स्क्रीन शो हो रहा है.
नो।
आप अपनी पूरी डेस्कटॉप की स्क्रीन शेयर करेंगे ना तो
हाँ,
फिर
तो
वो
वो
हर
कैसे होगा? वही तो मैं देख रहा हूँ, वो कैसे होगा.
इसको कैंसिल करके दोबारा शेयर करके देखें.
कोई
विंडो
ऑप्शन?
लिखा होगा।
देयर इज
विंडो
नो.
विंडो।
कहाँ है विंडो?
स्क्रीन शेयर देन विंडो।
वही सारी डिफरेंट डिफरेंट आ रही हैं इसमें तो.
लिखा होगा वहाँ पे शेयर विंडो।
शेयर होल विंडो, हाँ.
कहाँ लिखा हुआ है?
हाँ।
हमें नजर नहीं आ रहा, आपको आ रहा होगा कहीं ना
नहीं
कहीं.
नहीं, शो शेयर होल विंडो का ऑप्शन ही नहीं है इसमें. अब हुआ शो?
या
जी.
फाइल दिख रही है? यू गाइस कैन
या
सी दी
नाउ इट्स
कॉन्फ़िगरेशन
शोइंग।
फाइल.
यस वी.
ये क्या होगी? चलिए अभी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन फाइल देखिए. नाउ कॉन्फ़िगरेशन फाइल इज विजिबल फॉर यू गाइस.
Yes, it is
Yeah.
visible.
Okay. Now these are the configuration parameters of the program. Okay. What is the source of the server? Localhost, source instance, MS SQL Server. When you will guys start the work on the SQL Server, you will use the SQL Management Studio. Then you will better than understanding on these parameters what they are doing. Okay, that's why I gave you these links to get some understanding on these tools before this demo. Okay, so but you when you guys start on working on it, then you will better understanding on these parameters. So this is the schema of database. This is the object store procedure we are using to fetch the data from the SQL Server. This is the user in SQL Server source. This is the password of SQL Server. This is the file name prefix. You can use any type of prefix, HSC, uni. What is the purpose? What is the purpose of this file name? The whole CSV files will be created with this file prefix. Okay, HSC underscore uni, falan 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 falan, and this is will be included in the file name. Okay, you will see.
Okay.
You will see in the later demo. Okay. This is the from date from where we are going to fetch the data. Okay, and this is the date from till date from between this what I can say between the
This,
date, yeah,
yes,
from between the
15
date
days.
yeah, we are going to fetch the data of 15 days. Okay, so that is the option of delay. That is very necessary option in our environment of TPL. Okay, because our operation is 24/7 operation. So we just don't start the program. We cannot start the program to just get the fetch and data, whole huge amount of data from the production environment. Okay. So that's why it will take 1 second delay, 15-second delay. We can change it. We can say 10-second delay. It will get 1 day data. एक दिन का ये डेटा फैच करेगा और 10 सेकंड वेट करेगा. दैट इज द मीनिंग हियर. ओके, इफ आई
Okay.
से 15 एक दिन का डेटा फैच करेगा, सही है, और 15 सेकंड
Wait.
का डिले आएगा. 15 सेकंड वेट करेगा. इस 15 सेकंड के दौरान ड्यूरिंग द 15 सेकंड प्रोडक्शन विल वर्क देयर ओन because there are several different queries running on the production. Okay, at that time we are assuming this प्रोडक्शन पे बहुत सारा लोड होगा. वो हम अज्यूम करते हुए चलेंगे कि हमारे प्रोडक्शन पे बहुत सारा लोड है, तो अब वो अपना भी काम करे और हमारा भी काम करे.
Okay.
आर यू गेटिंग?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So these option I did not included currently. Okay, this is just the parameters I just mentioned here, and that is the log mode. This option is also not included in CSV exporter. I will later let you know about the log mode in remaining two tools. Okay, so these are the parameters of this CSV exporter. Now I am going to show the program, how it will execute. Now that is the CMD. Are you guys can see my black screen CMD?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So that is the location of my project. Okay. And that is the directory, which is already I have shown you in the Window Explorer. That is the main directory. Okay. That is the main directory. Okay. These are the different folders I have defined here. Now that is the executable command to execute this program. Okay. First one is Java. Second one is I am going to call the jar file. That is the parameter required Java, jar file. And I am defining the folder, target folder. Okay. Where is the target folder?
C user system admin desktop.
That is the target folder. Okay, I am just standing. बड़ा मुश्किल है भाई इसको चलाना. I am currently standing on the CMD on my Bragg screen. That is the main directory. Okay, that is the main directory,
Okay.
and that is the target folder. What is included in target folder? That is our jar file. Okay.
Perfect. Yes. So we have to give this command.
Yeah.
on
This command
any-
to execute this jar file. Okay.
Okay.
Now that is the command I am going to start. The first one is Java. Second one is jar file. This one is related to jar file name and location. That is
Mm.
my configuration of the file, configuration file, which I have shown different parameters in it. Okay.
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 Yes.
Everyone with me or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. That is our configuration file, and this is I am going to explain where I have to export the CSV files. This is the same whole location till here, and this is the CSV folder in my main folder.
Okay.
Are you guys getting?
Yes.
Okay. Now I am going to
Okay.
start this program. Now this program has been started. Okay. Now this is fetching from the SQL Server data and exporting here. Can you guys see my screen of CSV file?
Yes.
Yes.
इसको बार बार वापस आके दोबारा डिस्कनेक्ट शेयरिंग करना ना, ये बड़ा अजाब है इसमें यार जूम में.
वो आपने ना, मुझे लगता है जब ज्वाइन किया होगा ना तो एक्सेस नहीं दिया होगा फुल स्क्रीन शेयरिंग का, इसलिए शायद ऑप्शन नहीं आ रही है
अच्छा.
आपके पास.
अच्छा जी. These are the what is going to happen in this tool. Now you guys can see different parameters. Instance. Are you guys able to see my black screen CMD?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. That is the instance name, MS SQL Server, database name, ETL-DB, port, object name, from date, to date. Okay. Process is going to be start at which file is going to be create. This is the file name. Okay. Now working day 1. It is going to be fetch and request to the SQL Server on every 1 hour data, not the whole 24 hours data at a time. Why I did this? Because in our production is heavy transaction going on. So I have just in my mind that I don't want to make mess on my production.
Okay.
Okay, are you getting?
Yes.
मैं अपने प्रोडक्शन पे ज़्यादा लोड नहीं डाल सकता. अगर मैंने प्रोडक्शन पे ज़्यादा लोड डाल दिया तो मेरा प्रोडक्शन भी वहाँ पे अफेक्ट होगा और ये CSV भी एक्सपोर्ट नहीं हो पाएगी. तो इसलिए मैंने
Yeah.
इसको
We-
आवर्स में ब्रेक कर दिया है. सही है. हर दिन
तो
में
Yes.
हर दिन में 24 घंटे होते हैं. ये एक घंटे का जाके डेटा फैच करेगा एसक्यूएल सर्वर से.
और ये 1 सेकंड का ब्रेक लेगा 1 घंटे के बाद, वो जो हमें
ये ब्रेक ले रहा है बीच में ब्रेक.
डिले.
हाँ डिले ले रहा है. सही है. अभी मैं दोबारा
Okay.
आपको चला के दिखाऊंगा इसको. सही. डिले कहाँ आएगा वो आपको पता चल जाएगा. अच्छा जी, ये हो गया. अब ये इसको डेटा मिल गया सारा. जहाँ इसको डेटा नहीं मिल रहा वहाँ पे रेड कलर शो होगा, जहाँ पे डेटा मिल रहा है वहाँ पे ग्रीन कलर शो होगा. ठीक है. और ड्यूरिंग दी प्रोसेस ये येलो कलर शो करेगा. ये नो रिकॉर्ड फाउंड आ रहे हैं इसमें, इस घंटे के इसको रिकॉर्ड नहीं मिले हैं, इस घंटे का इसको रिकॉर्ड मिल गया. ओके, इट इज फैचिंग द रिकॉर्ड. ग्रीन कलर शो द record is available, red color showing no record found. Okay, and during the process, if it is going to be find some records in the database, it will be show in yellow color. Okay, on every
Okay.
step it is going to show the available space in your drive, how much space it is available, and what is the file name. Okay,
Okay.
now it will start again working day 3. Now it is
Jazib,
start. Yeah.
like in this screen we have working day 3.
Mhm.
So this data is of the whole working day 3 or from 1 hour of the working day?
Working day, yeah. It is showing I am going to start working on day 3. This is the heading of this next 24 hours. These are the 20.
Okay, okay.
Okay. I am
But it is
going. मैं जो हूँ थर्ड डे पे काम स्टार्ट करने जा रहा हूँ, ये टूल आपको बता रहा है. और
okay,
उस पे जो है फिर वो कह रहा है कि भाई 1 घंटे का पहले का डेटा मुझे नहीं मिला, मुझे सेकंड डे का मिल गया, थर्ड घंटे का नहीं मिला. सही है. चौथे घंटे
सही
का
सही.
मिल गया, पांचवें का मिल गया, छठे का मिल गया, इस तरह चल रहा है. ओके.
Okay, okay.
ओके.
Understood.
ओके. So that is now after this every hour or every day is completed, then it will show some summary in the end of the program. That is the summary process, when process was started, when process was completed, how much time is process taken, how much record it was exported, number of days process 15, file created 1, from day and to date, and process completed. These are the files created. Okay, now I am going to show how much multiple files it can be created in the same program. Okay, just hold on. I will just reduce the limit of the file.
So Jazib bhai, we can change the date, time, everything in this program, and it fetch
You
the
can
data.
change the source server as well. You can change the file name as well. You can change the from date as well. You can change the to date as well. You can change the delay as well. Okay, you can change the
Okay.
port as well of the database. Let me show you the database. Okay, let me show you the database.
And it is connected to the database like online, live fetching
Yeah.
is
It is the fetching from the live database. Right?
okay, okay.
That is the database, right? ETL DB I have defined over there. That is the object name, ETL proc TP. Are you guys can able to see my SQL Server Management Studio?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, that is the object name we are using in the configuration file. Okay, that is the parameter we are creating here, from date and to date. Okay, that is the database name. Okay, that is the DBO. You can see that is the schema name, DBO. That is the object. That is the definition of the object. It is going to be find these records. Now I am going to increase the records. Now I am going to unit 1 lakh record in one go.
1 lakh record per hour or per day
No.
or overall 1 lakh?
If you can see that there is a where clause here. Okay, assemble time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, assemble time. We are going from and to date. Every hour it is coming with the parameters of from and to date. Okay, from 1
Okay.
hour on the only 1 hour. It is going to fetch the data. If its data is available related to in the same date, data will be available, then it will be fetched 1 lakh record. Okay, if the record are available 100, it is fetch only 100 records, not more than 100 record. It is depend on the available data on the same date.
Okay.
Okay, now I am going to start the program again. I did not save the file here. Now it will save. Now I am going to change the limit of the file. I just limit the file of size of CSV. I am just going to increase the limit of the file. It will create multiple files, not the single file. You guys can see, let me show you. Now I share my screen. Now you guys can see this is the currently file which is on 68 MB. Okay, guys, are you with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, this file is created 68 MB file, 68 MB size of file. Okay, now I am going to again start the program. Now you guys can see that it will create multiple files. Okay, on same date I am going to start. Now you guys can see that it has changed the prefix of the file. I just define on the configuration HEC uni.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. 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 Uni.
Hmm. Now you can see the delay.
Yes, 15-second delay, right?
No, not 15
1
seconds.
second.
It's 5 seconds.
I think
5
5
seconds.
seconds.
5 seconds. Now you guys can see that there are multiple files will be there. Okay. Now you can see it is generating. My screen is visible. File screen. You guys can see the file screen.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
It is generating multiple files. What is the benefit of this? We don't want to create a huge CSV file. Now we are breaking in multiple files of CSV.
Okay. And
That is the beauty of this tool.
Jazeb bhai, we can send these files to any storage anywhere in the world.
Yeah. This is the CSV standard format. Sorry, this is the standard format of CSV. Everyone can use this CSV format, comma summated value, right?
Okay.
I will show you what is in the file. I will show you later. Okay, what is included in this file.
Okay.
You guys can notice that the R bit at the end of the file, right? R bit. This is the
Yeah.
RIF. This is mean ready file ready to use. When it start to create the file without R, because it is working on it. When the file work completed on this particular file, then it is mark R, right? It is mark R.
Okay.
शुरू में ये फाइल जो है विदाउट आर के बनाएगा, सही है। जब ये उस फाइल पर्टिकुलर फाइल पे काम कर रहा होगा ना, तो उसको विदाउट आर रखेगा। जैसे ही उस फाइल पे काम करना कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, उसका काम कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, तो उस पर आर मार्क कर देगा, रेडी टू यूज।
Okay.
Okay. Now you guys can see 17R, 18 will be also R later. It will mark later.
ये जाजेब भाई, इसका मतलब है ये हम जो ETL के प्रोसेस में एक्सट्रैक्शन का काम होता है ये कर रहे हैं।
बिल्कुल वही है ये एक्सट्रैक्शन का काम कह लें आप इसको, या फिर आप कह रहे हैं कि कोई आपसे कस्टमर जो है, हमारे पास ऐसी बहुत सी रिक्वेस्ट आती है ना कंपनी में। कस्टमर कहता है यार मुझे मेरी ये जैसे कि सपोज करें आपका ये जंग ग्रुप है,
जी जी।
आपके मुख्तलिफ कस्टमर आपके ये है, लाहौर बेस्ड मैनेजमेंट है, या जितने भी बड़े बड़े क्लाइंट हैं उनका पोर्टफोलियो होता है, किसी की 100 गाड़ियाँ हैं, किसी की 200 गाड़ियाँ हैं, किसी की 500 गाड़ियाँ हैं, जो पूरे ऑल ओवर द पाकिस्तान चल रही होती हैं, ठीक है। तो वो कहते हैं यार
सही।
मुझे आप 50 गाड़ियों का डेटा दे दें। अब वो 50 गाड़ियों का डेटा निकालने के लिए हम हमारी मेरी जो दूसरी टीम है, डेटा एनालिस्ट जो मेरे अंडर में होते हैं, उनको बहुत टाइम लगता है इन चीज़ों पे ना, डेटा निकालने में।
सही
तो
सही।
उनके लिए ये टूल मैंने रेडी किया ताकि उनकी जान छूटे इस चीज़ से, क्योंकि कस्टमर बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रिक्वेंटली हमारे पास आने लगे कि यार हमें डेटा चाहिए, हमें डेटा चाहिए, हमें ये डेटा चाहिए, हमें ये डेटा चाहिए। तो उससे फिर ये होगा कि हमारा जो डेटा एनालिस्ट होगा वो सिर्फ एक सिंगल कमांड चलाएगा, उसमें कॉन्फ़िगरेशन करेगा और बस ये लगा के छोड़ देगा, वो डेटा ऑटोमेटिकली निकलता रहेगा, उसकी जान छूट जाएगी।
अंडरस्टूड।
सही है।
Okay.
Now you guys can see that there are different, all files it is showing it here, how many files it is created during the process. Okay. Now you guys can see that there is a bug in the tool. I have to change it. I have to modify it. It is not showing the correct size here. It is showing on the first level of 243 GB space is available. That is the correct. That is the correct space. That is the issue in the code. I will fix it later.
Okay.
Now 22 files have been created. Now 22 files have been created. Now you guys can see the color is during the process is yellow. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
जंजीर भाई हमारा प्रोजेक्ट तो पाइथन से रिलेटेड नहीं था कुछ जो
नहीं
टॉपिक था
नहीं टॉपिक हमारा टॉपिक ये था कि एसक्यूएल टू नो एसक्यूएल डेटा ट्रांसफर करना है.
ओके
ओके.
ओके
एसक्यूएल टू एसक्यूएल डेटा ट्रांसफर करना है. नो एसक्यूएल टू नो एसक्यूएल डेटा आर्काइविंग करनी है. ओके.
ओके
और ये सीएसवी वाला जो है मैंने एक्स्ट्रा डाल दिया इसके अंदर ताकि मुंह बंद हो जाए टीचर का.
परफेक्ट.
Now the size of the file you guys can see the 7 MB file. We can limit it is in our hand. The limit the size limit of the file. Okay. Let me show you. I think you guys cannot see the size. It is visible now.
यस.
Now you guys can see that every file is almost about 8 MB or 7 MB. Okay. So these file size limit in our hand. Okay, let me show you what data is included in these files. Okay, let me open the one file. That is the data included in this file. Are you guys able to see?
Yes.
Yes.
That is the dummy data. Okay, I just created synthetic data for our project.
Okay.
Got it? You guys can put any type of data. This is depend on you. The tool is not dependent on the format of the file. Okay, you can give 1,000. You can give any kind of number of columns, any kind of rows, any type of data type. It will just simply export the data. Any question about this file?
I don't have any question. I just want to comment like our project was basically to transfer the data from SQL to SQL, from SQL to NoSQL.
SQL
But
to SQL to NoSQL, and
yes.
NoSQL to NoSQL archiving. I will show you later. Okay, I will show you later. This is just the third tool. Okay, I did not show the first two SQL to NoSQL, NoSQL to NoSQL. Okay, I am just giving the demo of CSV exporter.
Okay.
SQL to